This is Igloo 58-liter cooler. After I bought this, I went to a trip and have a 1 day of eating barbecue. And I think this size is perfect for a family, even though I only do a 1 day trip. But if I go to like a 3-4 days, I think there's no problem because I put all the cooking stuff inside, all the seasoning stuff. And for the temperature, the cooling is great, no problem at all. And another thing is the convenient. It got 2 side handles, so you can grab it. And the size is perfect. It's not going to be too heavy. And you lift it up into the vehicle, and then when you get there, lift it down. And on the back, there's a handle, right? And it got 2 wheels. So no matter how far the parking lot, so you just drag it. It also got 2 big wheels. Even it's not on the road, so still can handle the terrain. And surprisingly, it is made in USA, so I think the quality should be no problem. And let's take a look at the top. So it got 2 cup holders and a little storage right on the top. And let's open it. Actually, you see the lid is pretty thick. It's molded. Very good quality. So look at inside. You got plenty of room inside. It says you can put 98 cans inside. I never tried that, but I think it's for the food. It's no problem at all. And there's a little venting. You can dump the water inside. All right, I think it is a pretty good cooler for the family use. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.